birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you po yung candle, guys. Para tulong na lang ninyo. Yan. Hold your hand. Three, go! Wish! Si ate yung dalawa, wish. Ayan, guys. So, ano po ang inyong... Smile, guys!
Information! Galing! Panalo to, panalo! Panalo to!
Fourth runner-up goes to... Wala tayong drums. Group number 2! Okay, guys! Where's the group number 2? Okay, third runner-up goes to... Group number 1! Okay, now. So now, mag-winner, group number 4. Yan guys, malapong naman tayo guys.
Pero kailangan sumayaw sila sa sarili nila.
Okay guys. Wala ba kayo mga kamay guys? Energy, energy!
Hey, 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 hey! Prize. iPhone 15.
Picture.
iPhone 15.
Yeah, the winner for the dance challenge will having a prizes of
iPhone
15 and 16. Okay? For the consolation prize, kindly wait, huh? Okay, thank you very much. Admin, please take a picture for the admins.
Bawal sa'yo.
Number 2, Ate Maya.
Sarap niya.
Number 2, who's number 2? Oh my God. Okay, please come in this side. Number 2, admin. Hinaan mo lang, hinaan.
Background music.
Okay, next, number 3. Number 3?
Yan.
Okay, number 4. Number 3. Number 4.
Sayaw.
4, 3.
Isayaw niyo yung nabunot niyo.
Okay? Number
Isayaw niyo.
5. Just because of you guys, because he is very, dedicated to his responsibilities being Zumba admin. Zumba Heart Fanatics admin. In behalf of Zumba Heart Fanatics admin, we are going to give this trophy to a very deserving wife who forgot to cook his husband because of you guys. To bring the speaker here on the spot. May I call on Miss Annalisa. Annalisa. Why? Pinaglutuan mo naman kagabi, di ba? Nung nag-disco tayo? Okay. Last night, we go home 3 o'clock in the morning because we're going to celebrate the Tocora's birthday. But before that, I don't know, she cooked early. But she doesn't know that there's an invitation. So that's why, 3 a.m. in the morning when she reached home, oh, voila, the husband already finished washing the clothes. So congratulations, this trophy is for you. Enjoy today. Enjoy naman.
Giling. Giling mo. Giling mo. Picture.
Giling! No, it's okay. Leave it with you.
Thank you.
The one who is wearing maroon but lady.
Maroon lady.
Maroon. Oh, babae nag-wear ng maroon. Oh,
Ayun.
Bring me. The maroon lady. Maroon.
Yay!
Okay, ayan, this is maroon. Okay, giling.
Yay!
Together with the man.
Picture, picture, picture.
Picture. Wait. Sama, wait. Giling.
Giling.
Picture. Giling. Oh, talaga naman. Siga-sigang ilong. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Maya. Where is your...
Ate Maya.
You changed already, but it's okay.
Pag-share pa rin yan.
Shine. And Eric. Where is Eric?
Guys,
Ocho.
the best outfit of the month.
Okay.
A cheering.
But shine. I want you to shine. Remove the...
Model.
Give this small... Actually,
Yes.
but you can use it daily on your daily
Yes.
exercise here in Zumba or Pasensya na, parang tinanggalan nila ng damit. Lorraine, asan na yung mga damit niya? Okay lang.
Picture guys, admin guys.
Okay. Energetic.
Powerful.
I don't know how to call him again anymore. But may I call on Mr. Morgan Guapito
Sin Morgan. Yay!
Mr. Morgan Guapito Sin! Tanggapin mo yung iPhone 16.
Picture.
Please welcome first birthday celebrant, Cora Morgan.
Happy birthday!
Okay, kindly give the rice, please. A sack of rice. Ayan, mabuhay ka ng madami. Kailangan tumaba ka dyan.
Nabaw yung gastos kagabi.
Dalain mo yan sa
Okay,
ano.
next.
Nabaw yung gastos kagabi.
Admin ay.
Dalhin mo sa Pilipinas.
Okay, kailangan tumaba ka din. Ingit kami.
Gusto ko yun sa juicy.
Juicy ka ba yung Okay, next. Ate June in the house. Admin, Ate June.
Wow.
Ayan, and for Stella, bibigyan ko lang.
It's okay. I want to give this to the person who deserves to have this one. May I call on Miss Rim?
Yay! Yes!
She's still present. What time now? Okay. And she is my good massage person. I'm happy to say, but
Wow.
she really have a good hand in massage. Every time I'm sick, I'm always calling Cora!
Yay! Ate Cora!
Cora, come here. Okay? I will tell you, she is my flatmate. Before. No. I have to tell you this. Pero, ano siya yung alam, kahit anong kulay ng damit. Wala siya. Wala siya. May I call on my friendship, Maya.
Yay!
Hindi siya sumusunod sa color, pero yung katawan niya sumusunod sa Zumba, okay? So, don't matter that one, matter about her body. Okay, come here, over here. We have a gift for you. Where is the ass? We need to put ass on her. Sorry. It's an iPhone 15. Congratulations. Oh, closing. Okay. Bayan. Gusto mo ng besh? Kaya mo. Okay. Thank you so much to all the people who is around, who's sitting right here and there.
Audience.
And I think nakakain naman siguro lahat. Kung hindi yung nakakain,
Kumain ulit.
gusto. Okay? But thank you really so much. And if someone of you who is not in our member, it's free. Totally free. If you want to get fit and healthy, you can join us. No problem. Okay, thank you so much. And
See you.
good night.
See you next.
And see you in our next monthly
Yes.
anniversary.